weather forecast.
Well, still waiting to get any possible snow reports from the area earlier today, primarily in our southern locations where there were a few heavy bursts of snow this afternoon. In Eau Claire, we had a little bit of light snow mixed with some sleet for a while. It really didn't amount to very much, and really no signs of that right now. Temperatures have actually been above freezing this afternoon, mid-30s. I think we were up as high as 36. We're at 34 right now, and a live look at our Hastings Way sky cam showing that roads are wet. So no real slippery or slick concerns locally, but you still wanted to take it a little bit slower. Winds north at about 10 miles per hour. Pressure is currently rising. Let's take a look at our radar. Again, things have really cleared out, but an hour or two ago, you could see the back edge of this snow that really did intensify as it moved away from Eau Claire, worked through Jackson, Monroe, Juneau counties, also parts of Vernon County, a little bit of a mix in there as well. But I do suspect there was at least some snow accumulation, even though it didn't stay for very long. Looking up to the north and west, things are dry, so our chances of precipitation have dropped significantly. Let's talk about the next few days now. Obviously a big holiday week as we look ahead here for tomorrow. Christmas Eve, I think patchy fog could be around mainly in the morning. Then we're mostly cloudy and dry. If you do have travel, don't expect many concerns there other than maybe some of the fog. Wednesday, Christmas Day, looks dry as well. Cloudy skies, it's a tough pattern to get much in the way of sunshine, so really not forecasting that opportunity here much at all for the next several days. And then we start to increase low-level moisture further. That could lead to some drizzle as early as Thursday, but yes, liquid, because temperatures are going to slowly rise during this period. It's actually going to be a rather mild week for the later part of December here in Wisconsin. This afternoon, obviously, pretty mild as well with those mid-30s, 34 in Eau Claire, 35 in La Crosse, a little bit below freezing farther north, and a pocket of colder air there in parts of Minnesota and the Dakotas. Now, as we go through tonight, looks like some low-level colder air will begin to drain in. I have us down in the lower 20s. We'll see how thick the clouds are, but right now it looks like we'll have a chance to cool off a little bit more. And then for tomorrow, should be a little bit of a cooler day. Temperatures topping out closer to freezing. I have us up around 31 or so. The next day or two will be just a little bit above average before those temperatures warm further. Here's our departing low pressure system, which did intensify some as it's now pulling away out of the state. High pressure building in from the northwest, but again, not significantly colder, just a little bit so. Looking at the cloud cover throughout the area and our forecast model, again, not expecting any precipitation. Having said that, a lot of times when we have these low clouds, occasionally we do see those flurries as well. So that's a possibility. You see a few white dots here and there indicating that. Otherwise, Christmas Day, again, quiet, cloudy skies persist throughout much of the week. Mostly cloudy, down to 21 for tonight. We'll see if we get any clearing. That would lead to a better chance of fog into tomorrow morning. 31 there, 33 for the Christmas holiday. And then we start to increase those rain chances Thursday and especially Friday and Saturday. Rather dreary and drab, and those mild temperatures breaking 40. That means whatever snow is on the ground will be melting away, Kim. So I don't know how much will be left by the end of the weekend, but a pretty mild stretch here shaping up as we head past Christmas.
You know, I'd be okay with starting the new year with a mild winter and keeping that going.
I don't think it's going to keep going. Longer range looks much, much colder.
You got
as
to
we
use
head
your
into
weather
January.
powers for good.
Yeah. Just letting you know.
Okay. Thanks so much.
Okay.